Hi guys, welcome to my channel Java Trends. For latest update in every week, like and subscribe my channel. So our next question is difference between length and length method. Okay, so we will first see the length variable. So length is a final variable applicable for arrays. Okay, length variable represent the size of the array. Okay, and what about the length method? Length is a final method applicable for string object. Okay, it is applicable for string object. Length method returns number of character present in the string. Okay, so we will see the example of length variable first. Okay, so this is the array. S is the array type. Okay, so in that array variable we have like huge number of value like 1 2 3 4 5. So by using this variable we represent this huge number of value, and if you want to print the length of the length of this array, then we use s dot length s dot length variable. Okay, so by using this we got the length of the variable s variable. So length is a variable applicable for arrays. Okay, it is applicable for arrays only. Length variable represent the size of the array. So what is the size of the array? Now we don't know the size of the array. Okay, so if we print out this one, that s dot length. Okay, s dot length, then we got that, yeah, that is 5 number of that length is 5 like this. Okay, and for length method, see the example. This is the string s ram. Okay, so length is a final method applicable for string. Yeah, it's applicable for string. Length method is applicable for string only, and length method returns the number of character present in the string. Okay, so in this string, what number of character present we don't know. Okay, so if I print out that one system.out.println and I use the length method s dot length. Okay, so now it returns the number of character present in s. Okay, so in s, ram is stored in s variable. Okay, so if we print like s dot length method, so it will returns the number of character present in the string. So this is the use of length and length method. Length variable is applicable for arrays, and length method is applicable for string object. Length variable represent the size of the array, and length method represent the number of character present in the string. So this is the difference between length and length method. For better clarification, we see the example. Okay, thank you. So this one is the example of length variable and length method. Okay, so first we will see the length variable. So length variable is applicable for array. Okay, if we want to find the length of the array, then we use the length variable. So this is the length, this is the array variable arr, and by using this variable we are representing here huge number of values. And if you want to know the length of this variable, then we use the length variable. We use the final length variable arr dot length, and length method is used in string object. Okay, it is used for string object. So if you want to know the number of character present inside that string, then we can go for length method. So here s is a string type, and in that s we have ram value. Okay, now we don't know the number of character present in the string, so we use like s dot length method. So after using this one, we got the number of character present inside the s. Okay, so if I run this example, we will see the first we will see the length of the array, and second we will see the size of the s variable. So see this one, first is 5 and second one is 3. Okay, so the length of this array is 5 and the number of character present inside this s is 3. Okay, so this one is the example of length and length method. Okay, thank you.